What you doing, wiggle worm? Wiggle worm, wiggle worm. Oh, wiggle worm. Wiggle worm. Wiggle worm. Wiggle worm. Wiggle worm. Okay, so my camera battery died, so we're gonna do it from the phone here while Bubba Boy does tummy time. So, our AC is fixed for now. Our compressor overheated. There was literally smoke coming off of it, and we used the hose to cool it off. And the guy said whatever was causing the overheating of the compressor, that part has to be ordered and get it in. So they cooled it off for now. And when they cooled it off, the air kicked back on. They're hoping that'll last us until the part comes in that they're needing and they can get out here. But it is a holiday weekend, so that means everything's going to be a day delayed. So let's hope we get what we need and that everything will be okay until then. Casen! Ba 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 ba. What are you doing? What you doing? Mama gonna get it from you. Mama gonna get it. Oh, you're so strong. Get it from the mama. You're so strong. Oh, Mama gonna get back. Mama gonna get back. Oh, oh, oh. Mama gonna get back. Oh, she took it from the mama. Ba 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 ba. Yeah. Ba 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 ba. From what you doing? What? Is it raining outside? Yeah. Raining, so we gotta stay inside today. I know. Maybe later we can sit out on the back porch and watch the rain. You wanna do that? Huh? See all of them? Look, that's, oh, you like this page? That says in the water. These are all animals that live in the water. You believe it? There's a fishy and an octopus. And look, there's Mr. Crab like in your other book. Yeah, you want to turn a page and see what else we got? Whoa. Oh, we all done? We closing it? What are you doing? Huh? You playing with the Mickey? Yeah. You got your Mickey. What? Wow. Are those good? Casen. Casen. Are those good? Yeah. Yeah. Is yummy? Mm-hmm. What? Huh? Look, Monkey has something on this side too. Chew on. You see this one? Whoa. That one just as good? Yeah. Some good stuff to chew on. Hey guys, so we've been having kind of a chill last couple days. It's been super rainy. He's over here spinning on his mat. I'll show you a video here in a minute. But it's been super rainy, so I've just been trying to get some housework done, been playing with Bubba, and just really relaxing. It's really been all we're up to. I have my mom coming into town soon, so I was getting the extra bedroom ready, just kind of doing some cleaning that's fallen to the wayside. It's just stuff I don't do every week. Like I completely wiped down the baseboards and the doors and stuff like that. I know she doesn't care, but I care. So I've been getting that type of stuff done. Bubba's over here playing. He just turned 7 months old on the 4th. I can't believe I have a 7-month-old. But just join us for our chill days. This morning, Bubba and his dad and I went and got Starbucks. He ate probably 3/4 of an egg bite, which is a ton for him, but he loves them so much. So here's Bubba playing. What are you doing? Huh? What are you trying to get? Oh, Bubba. Hey, hey, little boy. Little boy, what are you doing? You're supposed to be playing. You come get mama? You come get me? Can you come get me? Come on, you can do it. You such a big boy. Come on. You bigger boy. Come on, baby. Come on, bigger boy. Bigger boy. Yes. You're so funny. Yes. I'm turning. You gave up? That was so much work turning. Was that so much work turning? Oh, you gotta rest. Come on, Bubba's. Mama get you a new toy out. What about that? What if Mama get you a new toy? Oh. Look, Mama got you a new toy out. You come get it. You come get it.
do it, Bubba. Come get the corn. Come get the corn. Come on. Come on. Yes, you got it. Come on. Come on. You gonna get it? Ooh, it's such hard to work. Come on. Bubba. You gonna get it? Bubba, look. Get it. Get the corn. Hey, look. Oh my goodness. Oh, you got it. Oh, she got it. Casen. What are you doing? You come get the mama. Come here, Mama, sit over here. You come get me. You come get me. Come get it. Come on. Come on. Come on, Bubba's. Oh, you gonna come here? You gonna come here? You come here, Mama. You come here. Oh, you just gonna lay down again? Come here. Come on. Hehehe, to get me. Mwah. Mwah. Where you going? What about this one? Not this one. Abba. Yeah. So put yourself up. Mama gonna let go. Whoa, dude. Whoa, dude. Come on. Sit back up. Yeah. Hold yourself. Mama gonna let go. Now hold yourself up. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Hold yourself up. Yeah. You can't cross your legs, Steve. That's when you fall. Hold yourself up. Hold yourself up. Mama can't do all the work. You do it. Look. Look. Play with your toy. You're gonna fall. That's what Mama trying to tell you. Look. You're supposed to hold yourself up. Silly nut. You silly nut. You tell Mama why you're not holding yourself up? You being lazy today? You being lazy today? You being lazy today? Casen. Casen. Look at Mama. You being lazy, boy. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. About this? You want to shake her? Shake her, shake her, shake her. Shake her, shake her, shake her. Shake it for Mama. Whoa, dude. Whoa, dude. Whoa. You ready to eat and then take nappy? You ready to eat and take nappy? Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Okay, so say yes. Say yes. Say yes. Yeah. What? You ready for Milky? Milky time. Yeah. You Mama's sweet boy. Yes, you are. You're so cute. You're the cutest boy there is. Yeah. Oh, really? Okay, Mama let you sleep. Mwah.